first year, first semester, doing segment bends on the triple nickel on 1-inch pipe, doing 90-degree bends. So each one you start obviously on a straight pipe before you start bending it. You start your first mark here, and then at 3 3/8, and then you do a mark every about 6 5/16 in intervals. You're going to do 10 marks, and it's going to be 9 total bends. This one I've already got to 70 degrees, so we're going to flip it around, put it back in the triple nickel, and finish our last 2 bends. Generally, you want to have your no dog on your pipe throughout the entire bend. I unfortunately fell off, so you have to kind of eyeball it just to make sure everything's level and square, so you're not running the dog leg out. One thing you do want to have is your angle gauge, so you know which angle you're bending at. Make sure you're zeroing it out. See what you're at. So this bend I'm going to do 10 more degrees, so it's going to be at 80 degrees total. Rigid pipe has a little bit of a spring back to it, so going over is okay as long as your final bend is close, pretty close on the mark to 90. So we're going to move it back to our final position. Check for level again, for square. Zero out your gauge. And hit your last bend. Pull it out. And that's how you do a 90-degree segment bend on a 1-inch rigid tube.
And that's the way it was. And that's the way the cookie crumbles.